Potentially able to soar distances nearly 800 feet, this snake's air transformation is gravity-defying. To achieve lift, the snake morphs its round body. By sucking in its abdomen, the snake is able to flatten its torso, doubling its width to make a somewhat concave surface. Then, forming an S shape, it undulates sideways as it flows through the air, creating whirls of wind that act as lift-generating wings. It all makes for an incredibly effective airstrike. As this unsuspecting gecko is about to discover. Morphing, flying, and surprise aerial attacks? This is what a badass looks like.